Uh, Shout out to Schoolboy Q. He ugly than a motherfucker. Tire marks, finish line with the tire marks. When the relay starts, I'm a runaway slave. Walking on water and running on waves. God MC, oh my God, you gotta see. There's never no odds in me of an odyssey. I'm a block away. Fire marshals moving in. Marshmallows inside my pen. Sweet 16s, got a sweet 16 any deadlier than sin. I'm so apart. I'm the prototype with a godly protocol. You an amateur, they want a protocol. I damage your on camera in Compton in Canada. I don't care where you are. Just blink twice and I'm there where you are. Like a shadow in the dark. You a paddle in a boat in an ocean full of sharks, about to come up short. Water in the pot, flow crack rock like bam bam. Nigga have 2 grams, nigga pay up on blam blam. Nigga had a black Camry, over dip set, killer cam, nigga, I had a been around with killers. Pimps who ain't been around shit, put your mama and your bitch. Jumped off the porch when I was like 6. Uncle Bobby got the house ready back in 96. Kick in the dough, Kate Nas all in the kitchen way before I even heard of Mike Vick. Mama in the bathroom, Papa at work. Happened on a Sunday, we should've went to church. Look at my shirt, polo on it. Stone sell, lift my logo on it. I feel no up on it. A demon come near and I might throw a spear at the omen. You looking at the 2010 Romans, Empire, high power, HP. In your face like HD, and I spit like an HK. I'm a shot like an H3, H-U-B-C-I-T-Y-A-D-N-Y-G. Problem in hootie, nigga. Tell the government come shoot me, nigga. Cause I'm going out with a fist raised and a fist full of money. Give it to the 5th grade, drink a fifth of Hennessy and then take another fade with a Democratic politician from CA. They don't want to see A-B-L-A-C-K. Making some scratch like a Hall of Fame DJ. Give us some free J's, put us in the PJs. Now we in the county jail calling for a 3-way. Goddamn y'all cold, mark of the beast where your goddamn barcode. Stuck in the street where it's dark like Harpo. Black man, tell me where your goddamn heart go. Although I'm in the land of milk and honey, nobody never gave me shit. When I got my first chain, all the niggas tried to take it from me. I had to fight back and shit, get it back and shit. And you rap niggas looking funny, tryna talk back and shit, like he back that shit, acting like you real or something. Nigga ain't pop no still, ain't pop no collar, go pop some pills or something. You trying real hard to appeal to something. I'm being myself, my BFF is a BM with your BM in it, and a stash box glove, and a medicine a doctor give a nigga won't help. I'm at a limit where I be amazing myself. I better finish on a level with a black belt. I better